Hello, my friends! It is day 7 of a week of daily vocal warm-ups. That's Sven. Thanks so much to those of you who've hung with me all week. And if you're just now finding this, go ahead and loop around to tomorrow, and you can still sing with me for a whole week. Take a moment to take a few relaxed breaths and align your body. Allow your skeleton to be stacked up and balanced so that you can release tension in your muscles and they can do more important things, like make sure we're breathing correctly. For our first vocal warm-up today, let's hum on and keep it nice and easy. Let's move to a v sound as we sing. Now we can sing on zoom zoom zaw, like zoom 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 zaw, and go zoom 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 zaw, 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 zoom zoom. Let's bring in a little bit more movement with nee-o-wee-o-wee-o-wee-o-wee and sing nee-o-wee-o-wee-o-wee-o-wee, 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 Now let's sing on videe videe videe, like videe 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 videe. Allow the front of the mouth to feel nimble and relaxed. Here we go. Videe 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 videe. Down now on ya, 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 and go. Ya, ya, ya. Ya, ya, ya. Now let's use a lip trill to access our higher register. We're going to glide like... Don't spend too much time on anything, just get through it and make some noise. Here we go. Gently sigh down to vocal fry. Let's finish up with a full octave Z, and go. Z, Great job! Thank you so much for warming up with me this week. I had a lot of fun. I hope you'll consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Don't forget to check out the links below for latest news and announcements, and remember that I publish new vocal warm-ups and vocal pedagogy tips each week. See you next time! It's Finn!